What's going on, everyone? Crazy tree job today. It was kind of a 2-day process. There was a fallen tree on a hill, and then there was a dead tree on another hill, and then there was a really big dead tree kind of out in the middle of nowhere, so that was pretty cool. I think it had like a 30, sorry, gee dude, wow. Probably had like a 30-inch diameter tree, so it was pretty wild, but we got her taken care of. Got Taylor with today, good friend of mine, Avery in the back, Kettler back there, and she's hiding. So we had a full crew today. Good to have the extra help, and hope you guys enjoy some tree trimming footage. I'm not an expert at it, but I know enough to do a thing or two, and it's quite frankly, it's a good way to make a extra buck. So why not? Let's do her. So now, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think we should just maybe carve Yogi Bear out of this one, or what? Looks like a good fit. We'll push him over.